I've never ate a worm.
It's like that. It's like a wax worm.
You ready?
Well, just pretend you're fishing.
Come on.
You gotta chew it up.
Come on, hurry up.
You ready?
No. I want to pick it up.
Quit being a wuss. Pick it up. You gonna eat it? You gotta chew it up.
Brandon.
Ready?
Hang on.
Come on, go. Ready?
You ready?
Just go. Do it. Go.
Oh my goodness.
Evan, come here.
Oh my
It didn't really taste like anything, but it was crunchy.
It's crunchy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Where are you going?
You're not gonna throw up, are you?
No, it's so gross.
Are you jumpy, Evan?
Ugh, as soon as I
Oh,
bit it,
that's
like,
awesome.
popped.
That's disgusting.
Do you want to lick the plate, Evan?
No.
I can't believe you guys really did that.
This-
Brandon, how was it?
I don't like the taste. I don't know if I'd do it again. The texture's disgusting.
It wasn't bad. It's actually better than I thought it would be.